Welcome back, guys, to prawn season 2024. Thanks for tuning in. We're just getting all loaded up here, getting ready to go set sail for another hopefully prosperous prawn fishing year. I guess it's been a while since I filmed a fishing video, but the ship is all loaded up. We got our 500 traps on. There's where we keep our spare traps, all of our Scotchmen. The boys are just tying in the last of the gear because, as you can see, it's a little blustery today, so when we leave it might be a little lumpy, but that's okay. We got the boat for it and the guys. A couple jugs of oil, waiting on our last deckhand now, who should be here anytime soon. And this year we're heading north. Basically, the spots that I want to go to have been fished year-round, not legally. Some might say legally, but anyways, the stock is damaged. We're going to new spots, and basically I just picked a spot on the chart, and we're just gonna go there, set our gear on opening day, which is Wednesday. Today's Monday, so I got a day and a half to get there, and we're gonna put our gear in the water and see what happens. And just really winging it this year. Hey Beeves, cut her loose!
Sir! Love you guys!
Cut her loose, boys! See what I'm looking at you, Bobby? We've just left Victoria and my crew's already hard at work. What are you doing, Beeves?
Just using the traps.
Oh yeah, he's just testing the traps, making sure they work good.
This one's good.
All right, well, we've been traveling for about the last 24 hours now. Still got another 3.5 hours to go. We are way up on the inside of Vancouver Island in a place called Bute Inlet. It penetrates the mainland. It's one of the largest inlets we have in BC, and it penetrates the inland for quite a ways, at least probably about 50 miles long as the bird flies. So we're going way up there. There's basically, I haven't seen anybody yet except a few little logging operations, but it's pretty barren up in here, so I'm really hoping I get far enough away from the high speed action, because there's lots of other prawn boats they're small boats, but they're high speed, so they're kind of hard to work around. They can cover so much more area. So the point of having a big freezer boat like mine is I can go to the places that aren't so easy for them to access. So hopefully that's this where we are, because yeah, we got a lot on the line this season. Through a series of unfortunate events. Lease prices for my prawn license are $100,000, so that's a lot of dollars just to be able to go fishing. That's not including monitoring fees, it's not including fuel, food, all my new supplies, any upgrades I've done to the boat. So we're pretty deep into this right now, so we really need a good season. That's why I'm just kind of throwing my sails to the wind here and hoping that the place that I chose has some prawns, because I got one day, it opens tomorrow. So basically where I'm heading right now, it's got to work, otherwise I just got to keep going and hauling back and keep traveling. But anyways, so this is where we're at. Here is us, this little guy right here. We're cruising up the inlet, as we'd say, all the way to the head right around here. And here's Vancouver Island, which is a fairly large island. I mean, it's 250 nautical miles, so it's a very large island, and we're right up in the mountains here. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful territory. Look at this. I mean, we are super spoiled to be able to work and make a living in this kind of spot. So hopefully it's barren and by barren, I mean barren of other boats, and we don't have to compete, but I mean, that's usually the case. I bet there'd be somebody else up here. This place is just riddled with absolutely beautiful waterfalls. Check this sucker out. We're getting closer and closer to the prawn spot, and I keep having these good signs. Look at these guys. They're saying, Alex, come this way. Prawns are over here. Okay, we've made it to the head of Bute Inlet, and we found this nice little log boom here to tie to instead of having to anchor up. It's kind of nice. You can stretch your legs a little bit. Cool little old logging sort of thing dropped off here, and this probably hasn't been running quite a while based on the looks of things, but it's a beautiful spot for us. All right, the big day has arrived. We've got 500 traps built, ready to send out. Everybody's blood's boiling. We can't set the gear till noon. That's when it officially opens. So we're just standing here, sitting, waiting around, feeling very anxious. I've been doing this for a long time now. At least this is probably my 12th season as captain, something like that. And before that, I fished as a deckhand. And every year I think, oh, just relax. It'll be okay on opening day, but it's always nerve-wracking, and it seems to get worse. I can't stand still, but at least I got a nice little log boom to hang out on here and check out how beautiful the scenery is in the area and the boat. So anyways, 500 traps built, ready to rock out. That's what it looks like. Looks like a massive mess, but soon we'll have those in the water. I haven't seen any other boats come over the horizon yet, thank goodness. Might have this place to ourselves. That's what I worry about the most. So an hour and a half and we're setting the gear, so stay tuned. Okay, we got 2 minutes till it's open. Go check out, everybody. You guys ready to rock or what? Yes, Prawns 2024, baby. 24, oh man, so far no boats on the horizon. So this is a really good step number 1. Step number 2, put traps in the water. Step number 3, haul traps. Step 4, hopefully catch prawns. I sure hope so. 58, come on, give us 1 minute. 59, we got a 59. Let the end out. They just throw the Scotchman over the side. Yeah. All right, fucking let her go, boys. Woo! Okay, it's 12 o'clock. Let the guy, let's turn on my track here. Traps are going in the water. I'll let the government know that I'm also setting F5, enter. Okay, we're setting gear. This is exciting. There goes the second trap. Let's go down and take a little peek-see. So they'll count out 50 traps. That'll be string number 1. And then after that, 9 more to go. Look at this nice brand new rope. Beautiful. Okay, I gotta drive the boat. We're just setting string number 7 and we got a grizzly on the beach right there. Just hanging out. First grizzly sighting of the trip. Pretty cool. See if we can get him to yell at us. Ah! Nope. I've set all the strings. You can see here, these are my little squiggly lines. That's because I want to test a range of depths. So they could be deep, they could be shallow. On the first day, you want to check all depths just to find where they are. Or if you go to a new area or whatever. Anyways, we've set out our 10 strings. Hopefully we have time to haul a couple before 7 p.m. because that's when we legally are not allowed to haul. We can only haul prawn gear from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. If you don't get it in that time, then you gotta haul it, wait till the next day. So it's 5:40 now. Hopefully we can get 1, maybe 2 in. So let's go check them, see if we got something. Coming down the bow, boys. Awesome. That was sweet. So you could tell we didn't get any prawns in the deep over here. Not until we started getting up shallow. Then we got some pretty consistent prawns. So when I reset this now, I'll just start shallow and stay shallow all the way along this bank. And the more times I go over this edge with my PBG sounding, it'll start to look better. But right now it just looks kind of funky because I've never been here before. So gotta do all my own mapping or charting, and we'll get this a good start, really good start. Inaugural first adventure to the shore. We got most of the crew here. The other dumb nuts is up over there already. I don't know what he's aiming at. But we got our little skiffy here. This is skiff number 7. We've had a few skiffs. We got a brand new outboard here. And we're gonna go take a little peek up here.
keep you posted. Oh yeah.
This thing gets going, eh?
Good enough. She goes. She floats too. Look at that, gorgeous. We found some beaters with heaters in this sketchy shack. Show me your equipment, Beef. Oh yeah.
You like that?
Ready for anything. Yeah, sketch. Let's go.
There's the map. Yeah, that's the water like that. That's the water.
We're walking down this road, this one. We got the bear avoidance device on my back, just in case, because we're in grizzly country. We've already seen one. And we're following this road all the way to Cumsack Creek. And it's actually called Cumsack Creek. And that's where we're going. See, look at my Google Maps. It even says Cumsack Creek. It's even spelled C-U-M-S-A-C-K. Cumsack Creek. So, it's real. We're coming up to our first water feature. Oh, my goodness. That is very nice. Very nice.
There you go, Beef. Go swimming in that shit.
That's a pool.
And this is where I bring my
Okay, Beeves, this is a picturesque moment. Take your rucksack there and go across. Yeah,
Dude, that goes to you guys. Sean's like right in the way.
I'm coming, Sean. Oh, wow, that's really neat.
Look at that. It's a waterfall.
That's a waterfall. Oh, there's a helicopter. That was cool. As I looked up the waterfall, a helicopter flew right over top. Might be your uncle. That goes way up there. God's country. We're in God's country. Oh yeah.
That's quicksand. Do not go in.
Yeah, that's mud, Beeves. Don't go in there. We have Cumsack Creek in visual. The problem is we're going through swamp marshland here.
Oh my.
And it looks like it gets a little bit more deadly. It's cool, you can see Cumsack Creek water is clear, but the Hamatco River, which is this big one, is not. So we got clear Cumsack water and murky Hamatco River, all intertwining. Careful, Sean. There's a hole there. Probably a Sam Squanch. We got Alpha Team here going for a Cumsack dip. Wait, what's your guys' strategy?
For getting in the water,
Yeah, both.
I'm just gonna try to drink it as fast as I can. But yeah, we're gonna try to give it a power slide here. You know, it's pretty
Pretty slick.
slick terrain, so we're gonna shotgun and just dive right in.
All right. Oh my God, Sean! Sean's dropping knives on his bare feet. Get it in you, boys.
Adios, amigos.
Power slide.
Just so you guys who are watching are aware, that's a glacier up there. I'm surprised you guys are still in there. You're taking a, Sean's taking a pee. Sean's skid was better. Sean got like probably 10 feet. Beaver got a nice, I'll call it 4. Absolute garbage. That's why Sean's the deck boss. This is how you get your shoes back on in the mud.
Well, we haven't done it yet.
They're working on it. Well, 1 foot dip and a lean on a Sean. There's 1 sock. Nice placement.
Cool.
Oh, hold your beeves.
Okay, Bute.
Okay, we got 1 on. I told you guys, this is the way.
This is a lot of years of balance right here.
A lot of years of balance right there. There's another sock.
Okay, I'm good.
I can't wait to see Sean do this.
Hey.
Nice, Beeves. This is so sensual.
Here, hold that. Yes, I got it.
This is very sensual.
Where's ankle socks and blood?
In Blundstones, that's psychotic.
Waiting to happen.
Oh, there it is. That's 2 boot goofing right there. We've carried our way up Cumsack River and we have come across a bridge. The bridge that goes across Cumsack River. It's really nice. Really nice.
Very nice.
Nobody's driven this road in a very long time though, that's for certain.
No.
Okay, so on the power walk back, we're walking back. I walked ahead of everybody and I'm gonna scare the crap out of them when they come around the corner. This is grizzly country, so they're probably on their toes already. Stand by. Yeah! Sean's 47 years on this planet are finally catching up to him.
Did you almost roll your ankle there?
No, it's totally fine. Well, the old kicker just died because I forgot to open the fuel aeration. There we go, should work now. What the Sam hell? There we go. Daddy's back in business. Back to the boat. There's a couple shrimpies. Beautiful, nice size. Oh my God. It's the first nice crab we've seen all day. Oh, there's some nice looking prawns. All big. Jumbos and extra larges. Fishing on these really steep edges. That's what it looks like going into the water. So getting your trap to land in the right place is very hard. And that's why we're leaving. Another nice crab. These steep edges drive a man crazy. Ratfish. They're pretty cool looking, and they got this really sharp point right here. You gotta be careful for those. Couple nice prawns in there. There's his ink. And then look at that. So random. Huge trap. Look at those beauties. Okay, so that string was nah. Got some bigger traps and then nothing and then nothing and that. But that's what happens when we're fishing on these super steep edges here. You can see like this is pretty much my band to land the string on, from 0 to 50 fathoms, and this inlet is too deep. I can't fish these hard edges. I'm good at fishing hard edges, but I cannot fish that steep of an edge. Nobody can. It's impossible to get your traps to land. This is the span of the edge is about 100 yards wide that I can set on. So I'm gonna go, it's basically a sheer cliff. It's like the cliffs that I'm fishing around. So I've decided to pick up all my gear and we're gonna run for somewhere else. I don't know where yet, but we're gonna start heading out. Maybe we'll stop at Frederick Arm or Phillips Arm, because eventually, if this doesn't pan out, I'll head up to Haida, Gwaii. But yeah, we got to get out of here for now. So we're gonna race, haul the rest of our gear today, set as much as we can, and we're gonna drive as far as we can before 7 o'clock and try and set all of our gear somewhere else so we don't lose a day. Okay, we did not set our gear back out. We came up to the beautiful Haida, Gwaii. Right now we're at a watering dock. We've set all of our gear into the water. So you know what that means. It's adventure time. Pretty neat. Are we gonna hit that or? Land ho. Okay, you guys get out. I'll go get Schwan. Just me, myself, and I now going to get deckhand number 3. Not necessarily number 3 in my books though. See what this puppy can do. Oh yeah. Fucking doing a wheelie. Sketchy. This is what we call a watering dock. We've got a pipe going to that waterfall and collecting the water, so if you need to water up, it's pretty handy because there's no ports near us for at least 10 hours probably. So handy place to get a re-up on your fresh water. And there's deckhand number 3, Schwan, with his headlight on. Nice headlight, Sean. First pull. Okay. We just hiked up a friggin' cliff, man. You hear the waterfall down there. Oh. The waterfalls get better and better. Look at that. Oh yeah. The prawning might not be very good, but our adventures sure are. Slippery. It's like straight out of Lord of the Rings. Where's the hobbits at? Oh, there they are. I bet you there's some fish in here. We just hammered through the bush. Look at that natural meadow. Beautiful. Doing some extreme log crossing here to get back to the boat. Beaver's lacking behind. Here we go. Like a boss. Is that the route, Sean, or around this way? So you say. Found another nice little set of rapids on the way back to the boat here. Try not to slip, fall, and die. Oh yeah. What a gorgeous spot. Well, we lost the tide since we've been gone. Our boat is high and dry. Kind of funny. We gotta get her over the falls now. All right, boys, lift her up, pick her up, throw her down. Okay, we're just gonna go, we're in a new area, Chapel Inlet and Surf Inlet. We're gonna go haul the string. Hopefully there's something on it because we've been running around with our friggin' heads between our legs. It's been terrible. We've been all over the coast and things aren't looking great coast-wide this year. So hopefully we got something here. We really need it. Oh, hey, look at that. We got some prawns. Not many. Oh, there's something there. Some undersized. I also have to wait for the table to be cleared. Because legally we have to do that. Bring them aboard. Let's go. Oh yeah, there's a good trap. Woo-hoo! Oh, look at that drop, guys. Holy smokes. Hey. That's great.
Keep them coming.
Keep them coming.
Wilhelmsen.
Ah, let's see. This is Wilhelmsen. He follows us everywhere. Whoa! Another trap. We can't put the trap on the table until the prawns have been cleared. That way the prawns have a better chance of survival, the ones that we're throwing back in. And it's clear. Woohoo! Oh yeah, there's another nice trap. There's some nice prawns in there. Oh yeah. Oh, a nice big prawn. Extra large. Extra large. Whoa, look at that. Oh my goodness. Ding dong. Goodbye. I was gonna show you what that was, but next time. And that's it. Wow, what a great string, guys. Woo! Look at these hands go. My minions. Sometimes I wish I had a machine though to do their job. Having to deal with this fucking guy all the time. He's getting old too. He's like, what? How old are you now, Sean? 47?
70.
Sorry, 70. Look at those things go. It's like it's in fast forward. I still wish they go faster though. All right, there we go. Couple bags. Extra large, mediums, large and extra large. More mediums. Now we're getting somewhere. Okay, hey, that was a good string. 150, maybe 175 pounds. Let's see if we can get another one, baby.